Alright, I'm going to do a straight up distance test. I'm going to go out to 100 yards or so. I think this is working. So, starting from the side of the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So I'm basically 100 yards away. Line of sight, nothing blocking me. I have now flipped around and the antenna signal is actually going through my body now. I'm going to count back. 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 6, 84, 83, 82, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is off by about 3. It's actually a little bit difficult to just keep walking and talking without actually breathing in. So, anyway, that seems to work pretty well, and I get a few cars running around in the background, and so I'm wondering what that's like. Hopefully this mic is super directional and isn't even bothered by that. I'm also going to switch the camera real quick just to see how it does. How you doing there? That's what the setup looks like. All right.